We can't figure out what these smell like. So I need you to smell. Okay? So I want you to take a big, big whiff. Show me how you can take a big whiff. No, not with your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, rope like this. Yep, that's what I need you to do. Are you ready? Okay. Go! Try not to move too much, okay?
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, man. Okay, go. Well, what is it?
Mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle box. We got it today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, first things first. We're a little disappointed.
Yeah.
Because why? Do you remember why?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there is white stuff on the front of it.
But
there must have been tape there and somebody might have ripped it off.
Yeah.
But there's none of it on this side. And none of it on that side.
So, we got the box today in the mail. When we got it out of the mailbox, it was like this. And there was no tape on it.
Yeah.
So my first thought was, okay, well, if somebody took one of my baits, I'll know because I'll be able to look at the what's in your box guide and find out what's just not in the box. Well, the what's in the box guide's not in the box. So I don't know if we're missing something or somebody took something or what. What I do know is I don't think this was ever taped. I don't think the box was ever taped. Now, there's like cardboard missing off the top of the box, like there was tape there and somebody ripped it off. But it's so... There's just not much on it. It just doesn't make me feel like there was tape on it and somebody ripped it off. Like he said, there's no tape on the side of the box. There's no cardboard missing. There's no tape off, no cardboard missing on this side of the box. There's no kind of sticky residue from any kind of tape. So we don't know if it was even ever taped.
Yeah.
We don't know. So I'm not too happy about that, and I'm going to call Mystery Tackle Box and ask them if these things that came in the box is everything, or if we're missing things.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure about the stuff that's inside here right now.
I'm pretty sure about what?
Yeah.
What are you sure about?
The baits.
What about them?
Like, how good they're going to work.
How good they're going to work?
Yeah.
And they may so. They may. We'll have to wait to find out. Okay, so we're going to try to make this video real short. The video, we've tried in the past to make them short, and it never happens because we tell too many stories. So we're gonna try not to tell so many stories this time. So Joey's gonna pull them out of the box, and I'm gonna talk about them. Unfortunately, we can't tell you how much they cost because there's no "What's in Your Box" pamphlet. Which one do you want me to talk about first? All right, Top Water Offspring Buzzbait. Feel the vibration. Janko Fishing. This is a 1/4 ounce. Look at that. Show them that. Looks like it's white, black, and a little bit of yellow on it. I think that'll work. I use a lot of those buzz baits on our lake and catch some bass on them. So that'll definitely work. We'll use that. What's next?
Not this one, definitely.
Okay. Can we get you one? We already looked at the box because it was already open. Here we got some bio bait. Never dries out, unrivaled scent, tear resistant, infused with fish oil, manufactured in the US of A. These look like little little leeches.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll pull one out here. Show you real quick.
Dad, can we smell them too?
Yeah, we'll smell it.
Yeah.
We like to smell the bait, see what they smell like.
Yeah.
It smells like a fish. Yeah, that's a little leech.
Yeah, that's a leech, definitely.
Smell it.
Let's go.
It smells like a fish.
It
smells
smells
like
like
fish.
It smells like salt water.
Salt water?
Yeah.
Yeah, kinda, a little bit. Those are nice.
Like,
we'll use those.
This is what I mean, like water put with salt inside of it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what salt water is. What's next? Some more soft baits.
Gross ones.
These are B8 Lab Ultimate Strike baits. These are the Ultimate Strike SQ Worm 5-inch Watermelon Red Flake. There's 6 of them in here. That's pretty good. We'll definitely use these. I mean, it just looks like a Senko, really.
Yeah, Dad.
And these are Extreme Squid Scent. Should we smell them?
Yeah.
Okay, Extreme Squid Scent. Right?
I'm not very sure about this.
You're not sure about this?
Yeah, because...
Alright, I'm gonna smell. Ready? Ready?
Oh, Dad!
Woohoo!
Your face is red.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
You gotta smell them. They're not bad. You gotta smell them just one time. Ready? Ready?
Oh, gross!
No.
It smells like burnt potato chips.
Burnt potato chips.
Yeah. Or worse.
Like what?
Burnt potato.
You know what it smells like?
What?
Extreme squid.
Oh!
I have an idea. We'll take one out and we'll put it in Mommy's car
Oh!
and see how long it takes her to find it. She's gonna think it's a dirty diaper from Sal. Ugh, those are bad. These will work for sure. I don't know that I'm gonna want to touch them.
What if we were
Oof.
what if Mom drives me to your work and I put one in your office?
No. My office already smells.
What?
My office already smells.
Oh!
Alright,
Bad?
what's next? No, it don't smell bad. It smells good. It smells like pine.
Do it?
We have a sticker. Nobody took our sticker. That's awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome. We got a sticker in this box. What's next? We got 2 more in there? Yep. 3 more. This will be used.
Yes.
Here we have a Lucky Craft CF Flake Rayburn Red Craw 1.5 inch. Little square bill. It's kind of clear. Made in Japan. But the package says Lucky Craft USA. That's a little confusing. I know you'll be able to see that. We got a new camera to make these videos, didn't we? And a microphone. Should be a lot better quality. That'll be good. Got some, looks like we got some ball bearings in there to make some noise, little rattles. What else we got? These.
Which we will use.
We will use these. Fishing weight stoppers. Now, I've never used these until this year. I finally went out and bought some. I bought like 4 packs of them because they're cheap.
Yeah.
And I've never used them up until this past year. And they work great. And I'm glad they sent them to us because those are nice little things to have in your tackle box with you.
This we will definitely not use, pretty much.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'm making a video.
I have to tell you something.
Okay.
You have to take a shower.
Okay. That could have waited. I'll be up in a minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye, May.
Bye.
Okay, so this, we looked at this earlier. I'm not gonna lie to you. And Lunker Hunt, which come on at the beginning. I like Lunker Hunt stuff. This is the Lunker Hunt True Spin, 13/16 ounce weighted lure, and it looks like a little. It looks like a. I don't know, like a trout minnow or I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like a minnow.
It's called the TRSP11 Jack True Spin, and I don't think we were gonna use that.
Yeah.
So what was your idea?
We could turn it into a keychain and clip it onto my book bag.
Keychain on his book bag. We gotta take the hooks off first. There's only one treble hook on it, but that's a good idea, Joe. I think we're gonna do that because I don't think I'm gonna use this. I could be wrong. Maybe it will. I don't know.
Dad, first, tomorrow can we try it?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. And that's all we got. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that we got. 5 baits.
Got another.
That's just that's the word search thing. Like I said, I don't know if that's everything. I'm pretty sure it is. Not quite sure. Not 100% sure. So I'm gonna have to contact Mystery Tackle Box and ask them what's going on with that. If this was kind of just a mistake, or like I said, it's hard to believe that this was actually wrapped. It actually had tape on it. It just doesn't appear that it did at all. So hopefully we got everything. If you guys get the Mystery Tackle Box, let me know if everything I just mentioned is in your box. I know they're probably not all the same, but maybe they are. And I'll let you know what Mystery Tackle Box says if I get the chance to. We have another box coming. We have another box coming. Which box?
The red one.
The Lucky Tackle Box.
Yeah.
That should be coming here in the next couple of days, so we'll be pushing out another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, as May would say. We greatly appreciate that. Do you have anything to say before we leave? No?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
No? Okay. Alright. And remember to do what?
Do more stuff with their kids and fishing eventually.
Eventually.
Yeah.
It is about to be that time.
Yeah.
The water just thawed out. About to be that time. Alright. Good job.
Dad, just so you know, I dropped the word search.
Well, what are you going to do? Are you going to go do the word search?
Yeah.
Okay. May said you guys need to go. Hey, we're back. This is Ava, and she wanted to be a part of the video, so we're going to let her. The only thing she's going to do is she's going to tell us what she thinks that these worms smell like. Okay? So I need you to blow all the air out and then sniff in as much as you can because it's kind of hard to smell. Okay? Ready? Did you blow all the air out? Go.
What?
Come over here. You want to be in our video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right here. Right here. Okay. This is May. You guys have met May before. Alright, so this is what I need you to do. Me and Joe can't figure it out. We can't figure out what these smell like. So I need you to smell. Okay? So I want you to take a big, big whiff. Show me how you can take a big whiff. No, not with your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, real like this. Yep, that's what I need you to do. Are you ready? Okay. Go!
Fish.
Fish!
Fish food. It smells like
Fish food? You don't
smells-
seem to be bothered by it very much. Do you think it smelled bad?
It smells yummy like fish food.
It smelled yummy like fish? What is wrong with you? You think that smells yummy?
She liked it. Come on.
My fish eater. Huh? Yeah.
She might
You're
be.
crazy, man.
She
We're
might
gonna
be a
take one of
squid
these.
eater soon.
We're gonna take one and put it in Mama's spoon. So it's sticky.
Oh yeah.
That was a good idea.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put one in Sal's crib with him.
Yeah. No.
Alright.
If you do that, I'll grab this and smack you in the face.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Then don't put one in South crib.
Alright, I won't. You're fun.